Hello, in this video I want to show you how to read the code to open up your specific guide for Nutrisystems, and I'll show you how to go ahead and download the app. That way you can see the guide. You want to do that anyway if you ordered, let's say you ordered via telephone. You want to do that anyway. That way, they got like extra things on there like weight loss programs, tracking your progress and all that, which is pretty cool. So to get the Nutrisystems app, only thing you have to do is just go to Google and type in Nutrisystems app, and you can get it on the Play Store, which has got the little Play Store logo. It's usually on the very top. It takes about 3 minutes to download, and then open it up. And then let's go ahead and open it up. And then if you've never logged into with Nutrisystem before, you provide your email and you create an account. Okay, and once you create an account, you should be able to scan your code. So for this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and scan the code. And the only thing you have to do is just hover over it like this, and it'll say open a link. All right, so again, the only thing I would have to do is open up my camera, and it'll automatically pop up like this. See there? And then show options. And you don't even have to have the app for that. Well, you have to download the app. I think that's how it recognizes it. Let's go ahead and take another picture of it. Camera. There's the link. And that shows my specific plan. And then you could open up that right there, and it'll show exactly what your plan is. See there? And you can just go through that, and it'll show you exactly how to do the plan with the food you just received from Nutrisystems. All right, if we go back to look at your plan, and once you downloaded Nutrisystems on the app, in order to find the guide, the plan guide on your app, you see down here where it says account and all this good stuff. Go ahead and go to account, and then go to my profile, and then go to guide. And that's going to show your exact plan. You can view the ebook, or you can view it from here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, thanks again. Bye.